Isinstance x list when iterating a list containing strings and lists. At iterating nested list inside out, I was told that type checking isn't Pythonic. Generally, this is true. We want to look only at the interface, duck typing, rather than a specific type. The question asks about nested lists of the form A, C, E, B, and we specifically consider strings atomic, non-iterable. So, we can't use a blanket collections.iterable, but on the other hand isinstance x list does seem a bit hacky. My answer was what's a better approach? Or is isinstance okay here?
I think that your answer is okay here, although I might change it too. To make it a little more accepting depending on the expected input. Ultimately, some problems you need isinstance, which is why it still exists in the language. That being said, the thing about this problem that is unPythonic is the data structure. In Python, if a problem seems really hard, it probably means you're storing the data in the wrong way. Of course, I realize that you had no control over what the original poster of the other question's data structure was. Smile. Basically, I guess that my view is that isinstance is the hack that you need to make lemonade when your colleagues / some library writer somewhere gives you lemons, otherwise you avoid it where possible.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.